how to add signatures to a document you brought in from somewhere else. Like, so let's say, again, you filled out your purchase contract on the MLS. You want to bring it in here to have your buyers sign, or say you received an offer, you can bring that offer in to have your sellers sign. Whatever the case may be, once you've added that to the Documents tab, and you see here I've got a purchase contract just for training, you'll want to be able to add those signature tags to it. So there's a few tricks that will make this a whole lot easier for you if you watch this video. So let's go ahead and open up this document. And wait for it to load. So as you can see, there's this add button here that will have you tell you what the things you can add. Now, if you use this button up here, it's just going to throw whatever you click like right at the top of the page. And that's kind of a pain in the ass. And so don't do that. What you want to do is go down to where you want to add it. Like, let's just say we're going to add, your buyer initials. Right click and the little add menu will come up. Throw initials on there. And as you can see here, there's like this green box. And there's a little line right here. That's the bottom of the signature line. So as you line it up, just make sure you can drag it with your mouse and get it lined up, or you can use the arrow keys to get it perfectly lined up. All right. And then we'll go ahead and just add the signature date. As you can see here, it took it right to the top, so you can go grab that and bring it down. So it's really just however you want to do it. I prefer the right click, right? Once we have this, let's assign it to our buyer and the date to our buyer, all right? Then right click on this first one. You'll see here you can copy this initial to every page right where it's at. So click that. You can have pages 2 through 6 all done. Do the same thing with the date. Copy to all pages. As you can see, as we go to page 2, you've got your buyer signature, your buyer date all there. So we get all the way to page 6. You see here we'd still need the signature. So again, right click, add, signature. And you can make the signature box however you need to. Just remember that line is the bottom of the signature line. Do that, and add signature date or signature date and time, whatever the case may be, if it's time sensitive. And then make sure you assign your signature to your buyer and assign the date box to your buyer. And there, you are all set with that particular piece. When you're done, click save. And from there, you can just hit here, request signatures, or go back to documents and request signatures, however you're going to set that up. But that's how you set those tags to do that. And there's a variety, as you can see here. You can do check boxes and strike throughs and a strike through box and a highlight box. There's a lot of different stuff you can do, add text. Most of it you're not going to need to. Mostly you're just going to be setting those initials and those signatures. And that is all I've got for you guys today. We will see you next time.